For step 1, we're going to take our marker or pencil and draw a line on the outside of the paper plate, just like this. Now, we're going to draw another line on the other side directly across. Once we have our two lines, we're going to connect to the lines, tracing the inside of the paper plate, just like this. We're going to go all the way across, nice and slow, until we reach the other line and stop. For step 2, we're going to cut the plate along the lines we drew. Take your time and go nice and slow. Once we finish cutting, we can throw away the piece that was cut off. For step 3, we're going to color the outside piece of the spaceship. So if you haven't already done so, you can outline and separate the inside of the paper plate versus the outside of the paper plate, or the inside versus outside of the construction paper. Now what I'm doing is you can take any color you want, and I did lines. So you can do lines just like this and color them in. If you decide to do it this way, make sure you skip every other space so we can do another color, or you can just leave it blank, whatever you choose. If you use color construction paper, you can just leave it like this, or if you use the paper plate or white paper, you can take another color, whatever you want, and color in the spaces you didn't color already. Step 4 tells us to draw an alien on the inside part of the paper plate or construction paper. Now you can draw any type of alien you want, you can be creative. But if you want to follow the one I'm doing, you're more than welcome to. I first drew the body and then I drew the arms. Now I did 2 arms on each side, but you obviously don't have to. Once I finished drawing the arms, I did the hands. I did a claw-like hand just like this. Once I finished the hands, I decided to go do the eyes. Now I drew my eyes on top with little antennas, just like this. Then I decided it might be cool if I added 3 more eyes in the middle of the body. And then I drew a creepy smile. Once I finished outlining my alien, I colored it in. But notice, I'm not going to color in the smile or any of the eyes just yet. Remember to take your time and go very slow when you're going around the eyes and the mouth. You don't want to accidentally color them in. Next, I'm going to take a different color marker or crayon and I'm going to outline the eyes, and I'm also going to do a circle in the middle. That way it has a pupil. I'm going to do the same exact thing for the other three eyes. First, I'm outlining each eye, and then I'm drawing a small circle in the middle. Once I finish those circles, I'm going to color in the eyes around the small circle, leaving a pupil. Now I decided to leave the mouth white, but you can always color it in a different color or black also.